Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's look I'm going to do something really easy but very glam, which you can create for the holidays or for like a special occasion, or even for if you want to go for work. I mean, like, that's totally fine. So it's a really easy look and I'll be only using drugstore products. I'm going in with this palette from Maybelline. And the first shade I'm going in with is this light brown color, and I'm taking my Sigma Beauty E40 brush and I'm going to start blending this all over my crease, going back and forth. So this look, I created this for a Instagram tutorial, so I'm only showing like one eye. But then I realized why not film this for my YouTube channel as well, because I know I received like a lot of positive response because I posted a picture of this look yesterday. So here it is. It's like a very easy and quick glamorous look. Then I'm taking this Maybelline Fit concealer and I'm going to use this to cut the crease. Every product I'm using in this video is by Maybelline, and I want to mention that this is not sponsored by Maybelline. I did get like the products I'm using today sent as PR, but this is not like a paid video by Maybelline, not at all. I just wanted to mention that, just so you know. But use this for all over the eyelid, and this will be like a base for the eyeshadows that I will apply on my eyelids. And then I'm going to use this golden color with a Sigma 242 brush. And I'm just going to press this all over the eyelid. I had to go in a few times because I believe this is like a highlighter. I'm not really sure if it's like eyeshadow or like a highlighter for the face. So it's not like a very full coverage eyeshadow, but I have to say it worked pretty fine. And also I love the subtle sparkle that is inside of this eyeshadow. It's really pretty. And now for my eyeliner, I'm taking this liquid liner pen. And I have to say I was quite shocked by how black it is. It's like a really intense black, which I love when it comes to eyeliner. I feel like if you have an eyeliner that has like a sheen or like looks more gray, I'm just not into that. I like a very bold black eyeliner, and that's exactly what this did. So I'm really happy with that. So I'm going to create a line above the lash line first, and then later I'm going to create a line along the outer end of my eyelid to create that wing. And I try to be very careful, but you can see I could definitely like create a very thin liner with this pen, which is nice. Then I connected the eyeliner above the lash line with the winged end, and then I started to like fill it in with some product. So now for underneath the lower lash line, I'm taking this matte brown color with a flat diviner brush by Sigma Beauty as well. And I'm going to start pressing this right underneath the lower lash line. And for my lower lash line, whenever I do a winged liner, I always like to use like a black or like dark brown color, because I feel like this really connects the liner with the lower lash line. Then I'm taking that orangey brown color, which I use for my crease as well, to blend out the lower lash line so that the crease and the lower lash line kind of match together, and I feel like now everything comes together. Then I'm going to use a little bit of this light color and I'm going to apply this in the inner corner area just to make it look a little bit more bright, and I always feel like this gives a very nice subtle effect. Then for my mascara, I use the Lash Sensational mascara, which I actually really liked for my lower lashes. It makes them look really long. My upper lashes are always like a big mess, so I go in with fake eyelashes anyway. And then here you have the finished result. I really hope you guys enjoyed this quick glam makeup look. I think this is a really easy look. Just follow every step that I did, and I'm sure you guys will rock this. If you have any questions regards this makeup look, don't forget to post them in the description bar. I will try to answer to them all. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed, and hopefully I will see you in my next video. Bye bye!
And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas time.